Hello guys, you are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorials how to go for your Gmail recovery in case someone who has changed your Gmail password. Now you don't have the recovery email and recovery phone numbers. What is the easy way to rescue your Gmail ID? We will see live here. This idea has been recommended by one viewer to recover it quickly. Unfortunately, he has lost his device, so let's recover the live here. See, spontaneously, in case someone who has hijacked or hacked your Gmail ID. In that condition, also you can find out via this way. In this way, you can rescue of your Gmail ID. So we'll see here. I'm facing right now. Couldn't sign in. If I try, see here. But of course, by providing enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is mine, I will show you how it is possible. Now we are in a recovery phase. Just we will go for here, do next, and if I go for here, try another way, because we don't have a password, guys. So we don't have a phone number, guys. Now yes, we will go for here to next, and see, it's a screenshot that I did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is mine. So if I try again or multiple times if I do here, so then another platform will be open. So there, by providing legal document and of course some identity card, on the basis of Google will endorse to justify this account is your or not by a different email we will have to send. But total estimated time can we expect more than 48 hours. In that condition, we can't delay to other recoveries in this account because there's some urgent data. So why not we tap in a Play Store? In a Play Store we have ARC search, find it faster browser. Of course, any kind of that we can of course find out quickly. So just we will go for now here, it's installing. On the other hand, of course, we have a 2-3 changes on Google product, so hold that, and of course we will click on this icons, and let's see. Now we have two things that we will have to do here, guys. Just we will come the notifications, and in notification we will have to make disable this, we will have the blocks, and will come the permission, navigate the locations where it is. Yeah, we'll go for the precise location of, and upon of course click on a don't allow anyway, so may no longer function as intended of this device. No problem at all. We have done it now, so just we will cut it from here, and upon of course similar strategy we will have to execute on a Chrome browser. In the Chrome, so just hold it, and upon of course we will come on here. Here's in the comes on the permission layer, and just a notification we will have to block, and thereupon of course we will have to come the permissions. Little bit slow is responding, so that's why actually having the problem here. Let's once again we will try. We will come here, and then of course we will come the permission. In the permission, of course, we will have to come the location, make the precise location off firstly, then we will go for disable, and thereupon of course we will have to back, and free space we will have to close. One more time we will have to back, and we will come in a default browser. We have RC first ones, we will pick this one, and thereupon of course we will go for inner setting, guys. Now setting ARC, just open firstly. We will try to other comes there, so just we will go for let's go, and the let's goes to of course once again we will have to go for let's go, and we will have to browser for me, nothing much more. We'll go for next, and we will go for next. We will go for let's say start. Now we will have to write Google code.in, that's all. We will go for here search bar. So now it's opening here. Just we will have to wait here. Now as we see here, why don't we go in the silence here? Tap on it here. Now we will have to go for enter this particular ID, and of course we will tap on One more time. So now see what's happens here. It's asking a password, so just we will go for try another way or forgot to, of course we will click here, don't have, and upon what we will have to do now. So here is a special more tips to recover your accounts. Via this try agains we cannot, otherwise this account would be freeze. Why it should be? Because I did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is mine. How is possible to the can rescue? I will show it, don't worry. If I try again, so then this account will be freeze. Why it shows? Because I'm trying to recover the particular ID via different browser. So why not now? Google will endorse to recover. How it is possible? We will tap on a setting, guys, of this device now. In a setting, of course, we will come to Google service. In the Google service, of course, we will have to pick these help icons. And there, help icon, of course, help option we will pick. Then, of course, here we will write stolen or lost. Let me back here. In a help search bar, right here, lost or stolen phones. According to the explanation, of course, we will come in here. So now fix the issues. Of course, we will select these ones, and now here, see guys, here just we will scroll up, and of course here see the sign the trusted new and recover your account. So just we will cut it from here, and thereupon of course we will come here. Now here tips to the complete your accounts the recovery, and here now just we will fix this one's the recovery page. Of course we will have some this ones, so let's see this ones now. See here once again we will have to type this ID. Just guys, we will have to type here. Now what we will have to do, just we will go for here next. Now see guys here what's the happenings. Here we have two options. One is not now and save, and the password is running. So let's click not now. What will happen here? Still it says scrolling. Now this ID has been the succeed. In front of you everything has been happened. Now easily this ID can be recovered, guys. What do you say? This strategy is only for education purpose. Don't misuse. And of course, further main inquiry, of course, I had the query below the comment box. So pleasure will be mine to reply your query, guys. Thank you very much. And of course, don't go for continue. Otherwise, once again, you will be trapped in a what? Verified CEO ID. So don't go for here. We will click on a change the password, and here if I click here change the password, then of course write a password, you confirm the password, go for change it, and after that once again you will have to go in the security center. In the security center of yours the email, add there the recovery email and recovery phone number. So this kind of incident won't be repeated here right now on a live screen. So we cannot generate the strong password here because this will be in the public domain, and this ID can be recovered by a viewer also. So that's why guys I will have to deliver this ID safely to my viewer. So this is all about. For the main inquiry, of course, please ponder, like, subscribe, and share with these comments. Share this content and raise the query if you are unable to proceed of their similars. Of course, we will rescue your accounts. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.